All right, we are at the estate sale house, and one of my favorite American expressions is balls to the wall. I love that saying. Anyway, it's Friday, it's the day before, and it's balls to the wall. So there's the front door. It'll open at 10 a.m. tomorrow, so you can just queue up here, park. It's raining leaves at the moment, but it's really warm. It's a cul-de-sac. I'm doing my normal parking video here. So you can park. Obviously, don't block people's driveways. I have to say that every time. And the house is now under contract. So I was telling people it was for sale. It's now under contract. Loads of parking. I mean, you just park, side of the road here. We've got this cul-de-sac, and then we've got that road there. I think that's Lake Vista Drive or something. I can't remember what that was called. Anyway, this address here is 1033 Little Pine Circle. Just went under contract. And so, obviously when you buy furniture or whatever you buy, pull right up here and then we'll load you up into the driveway. So it's the whole house, and then there's a deck behind. There's an upstairs area, double garage, room above the garage. So there's stuff everywhere, as usual. We've got one of those Pauli's Island hammocks with the stand. It looks like it's hardly been used. We weren't sure, maybe we might get some rain tonight, so that's in the garage at the moment, but there's the stand for it, and it's got like the brass plaque, and it's in excellent condition. So, front door, queue up, 10 a.m. we open up, and we got Sandy here working hard, just putting the signs up. All sales are final. Everything is priced, staged. Look at this fantastic piece. This is an antique hall tree. We've got a wonderful collection of walking sticks here. Look at this one. Fabulous. Horse head. Carved. Trying to get a good photo of it here. Good image. There we go. Carved brass tip. Isn't he cute? And what you horse people are like. And so we walk in. Father Christmas will be here greeting you. He's for sale, of course. Everything's for sale. I've got a kid in college. Everything is for sale. We've got military stuff. We got, so this is like the formal sitting room. And like we say, we've got something for everyone. So whether you've got beach house, lake house, in-town home, pied-à-terre, condo, whatever you've got, we've got something for you. Everything, I've got to do this. Everything is priced and everything is staged. Local, Karen Bowden. Very nicely framed, double matted. We've got some original artwork. We've got some prints. This is original. Really nice furniture. Some antique furniture. We love this little trio here. This is original art, very kind of MCM. Floor lamps, nativity, rugs, the usual. Dining room, very unusually shaped table there, but really nice. We've got the military section over here. Sterling cutlery set. That is silver plate, but isn't it fantastic? We've got this antique kind of bookcase, kind of storage display shelves, whatever. I don't know what you call it, but it's really, really pretty. History books there. These are Confederate generals. This is from the 1860s. Original frame and wavy glass. Local Lynchburg guy, John J.W. Hilton. This was his flag fan. He was in World War I. And these are his personal effects. Swords. We got copper.
Do you want these priced separate? They're 25 at the farm basket.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I got a pencil, Michelle Bell.
Yeah.
And we've got a really nice set of china here. It's that Mikasa, but it's black and gold, so it's neutral enough to be sort of fit in with any style. Really quite stylish. Block print napkins here, rustic. I love these kind of chargers, placemats. Kitchen area will be the checkout. And in here we got like I suppose the informal living room. Books, we got Christmas, Jim Shaw, German Nutcracker. Just giving you the whole house tour now. Southwest pottery, original art prints. Here's the deck. Watch your step, caution. We've got the old leaf blower there to make it all nice and clean. That's not for sale. Bridget just bought that. Items on the deck at the moment. And we've got this eat-in kitchen area
So what'd you
here.
say on them? Sorry.
50, I think. 50.
So each?
For the two.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
And then we got the bar cart and lamp and stuff here.
Want to put on those magazines, $1 each.
Yeah, there's like time magazines, car magazines.
Yeah.
How much?
Yeah, $1 each.
$1 each.
Just do that because there's a big pile and we price to sell.
Okay. All right.
Showing you everything. Look at these pieces here. They're not herond. They're that herond-esque. We've got... Oh, this is fabulous. Look at him. He is Two Rivers Tomahawk. So it's Ken Schmidt. Artist proof for the homeowner. We've got bathrooms. We've got 2 or 3 bathrooms. I can't remember. Closet here. Handbags and jewellery. Smells so good in here. We got stuff everywhere. And then this closet here, this is fantastic. We've got the Ralph Lauren coat here, the trench coat, mink stoles, hats, ties, another bathroom, and an office. And then we've got an upstairs area too. So you come back here and then you go upstairs. And we've got 2 bedrooms up there. And then we got the garage. All right, we got to finish pricing now, so it's just kind of odds and ends, but you get the gist. 10 a.m. be at the door, queue up, no sign-up sheets, no tickets, no admission fee. Queue up whenever you want, and we'll see you in the morning. Cheers.